Good day everyone, we are the student researcher from BSc4H and we are here to present our study entitled Efficacy of Bougainvillea expectabilis extract as a green corrosion inhibitor for low carbon steel. Corrosion can degrade the metal's looks and worse affect its performance in terms of strength and load carrying capacity. Fortunately, proven methods for preventing corrosion can increase the lifespan of metal like corrosion inhibitors, which are mostly synthetic and toxic. The search for environmental friendly inhibitors is a major driving force behind the use of natural products as environmental friendly inhibitors. Plant extracts have recently been studied for their ability to inhibit mild steel corrosion and have been found to have high inhibition efficiency in general. Quinine, a natural occurring substance, was studied in 1 molar hydrochloric solution as a potential corrosion inhibitor for low-carbon steel. The action was investigated in 20 to 50 degrees Celsius temperature range using phytodynamic polarization and EIS. Bougainvillea spectabilis leaves contains phenolic compound, a chemical that are found on plants that have corrosion inhibitors effect. A pharmacognostic analysis by European Journal of Molecular Clinical Medicine revealed that Bougainvillea glabra possess alkaloids, flavonoids, tannins, glycosides, saponins, phytas, and oilseed oxalates. Also, a review revealed that pink, orange, and white-colored Bougainvillea glabra flowers have corrosion inhibition activity against mild steel on 1 nano hydrochloric solution. With all those things have been said, the researchers decided to use and prove the corrosion inhibition activity of Bougainvillea spectabilis leaves instead of flowers in 1 molar solution instead of 1 nano hydrochloric solution. The experiments commenced with the preparation of Bougainvillea spectabilis extract, which was air-dried, pulverized, and soaked in ethanol and rotary evaporated. 1 molar hydrochloric solution was used throughout this study. The square-shaped low-carbon steel plate specimen with a size of 1 inches by 1 inches by 1.8 millimeter were submerged. But prior to submersion, the specimens were subjected to cleaning and initial weighing before the weight loss analysis and corrosion rate. 5 treatments including 3 different concentrations of Bougainvillea spectabilis leaf extract, which is 30, 20, and 10, and for the other 2 treatments are the positive control, which is the commercially available corrosion inhibitor, which is 84 ml of turco rust converter, and the negative control, the researchers used 85 ml of 1 molar hydrochloric solution. The weight of low-carbon steel towards the extract was observed during the standard time limit 0 minute, 5 hours, 15 hours, and 24 hours at the laboratory temperature of 30 to 33 degrees Celsius or room temperature. The researcher then analyzed the data and drew conclusions based on their observation.
The primary problem we aim to address is the corrosion of low-carbon steel, a common issue in various industries, which leads to decrease in the lifespan and effectiveness of steel structures. So our study is designed to answer 3 key questions. The first question is about the effect of Bougainvillea expectabilis extract on low-carbon steel. So we aim to understand how the steel reacts when exposed to these treatments and whether it can effectively reduce or prevent corrosion. The second question focuses on determining the optimal concentration of Bougainvillea expectabilis extract for maximum anti-corrosive effect. So we will test the 3 different concentration, the 10%, 20%, and 30%, to identify which one offers the highest protection against corrosion when the steel is immersed in a 1 molar hydrochloric acid solution. The third question investigates how the corrosion rate of low-carbon steel in a 1 molar hydrochloric acid solution changes with increasing concentrations of Bougainvillea expectabilis extract. So this will help to understand the relationship between the extract concentration and its corrosive or corrosion inhibiting properties. So in our study, we use an experimental research design to test the effectiveness of Bougainvillea expectabilis lib extract as a corrosion inhibitor for low-carbon steel. So we manipulate the concentration of the extract to observe its impact on the corrosion rate of the steel. We test 5 treatments including 3 different concentrations of the extract, the 10%, 20%, and 30%, mixed with a 1 molar hydrochloric acid solution, a positive control using Turco-Rusk converter, and a negative control using only the 1 molar hydrochloric acid solution. So each treatment is replicated 3 times for reliability. So we assess the corrosion inhibition activity using the weight loss measurement method. So this method provides straightforward and reliable results.
The study was conducted at Nueva Ecija University of Science and Technology, General Tino Cabanatuan, Nueva Ecija. The testing and data gathering took place inside the chemistry laboratory of the Nueva Ecija University of Science and Technology. The Bougainvillea spectabilis leaves were collected from Barangay Vega, Bungabon, Nueva Ecija, and were identified and authenticated at Central Luzon State University, College of Science, Department of Biological Science. Meanwhile, the ethanolic extract of Bougainvillea spectabilis was concentrated using a rotary vacuum evaporator in Philippine Rice Research Institute, Muñoz, Nueva Ecija branch.
Testing was the primary tool employed in this study. ASTM G31-21 or Standard Guide for Laboratory Immersion Corrosion Testing of Metals. This will form the basis of this study through experimentation. The data gathered in this experiment will be enable researchers to conclude whether the Bougainvillea spectabilis extract is effective. The researcher will determine the optimal concentration necessary for Bougainvillea spectabilis extract by observation. The figure shows the flow of experimental procedure that will be accomplished for this study. Approximately 3,000 grams of fresh Bougainvillea spectabilis leaf will be collected around the vicinity of Bungabon, Nueva Ecija. After the collection, the sample will undergo air drying for continuous 7 days. After 7 days, the sample will be dried using grinder and soaked in the ethanol for 2 days. The solution will undergo rotary evaporation to separate the ethanol from the solution. With this, only essential phenolic compounds or phytochemicals of Bougainvillea spectabilis leaf will remain in the crude extract. Bougainvillea spectabilis extract will be tested and will be exposed in different concentration to observe the efficacy using weight loss measurement. The corrosion inhibition activity of Bougainvillea spectabilis leaves crude extract were tested using 5 treatments including 3 different concentrations of the Bougainvillea spectabilis leaves, which is 30%, 20%, and 10%. For the other 2 treatments represent the positive control, which is the commercially available corrosion inhibitor, which is 84 ml of Turco-Rusk converter, and lastly the negative control, which is 85 ml of 1 molar hydrochloric solution. The low-carbon steel will be weighed initially before soaking in different treatment. The final weight will be checked after 5 hours, 15 hours, and 24 hours of immersion corrosion testing. After the immersion, the lost weight of steel plate specimen will be measured using the following formulas, where W is the weight lost in mg, WO is the initial weight in mg, and the WF is the final weight in mg. The corrosion rate, which the CR, where W is weight lost on gram, A is the area specimen in centimeter squared, and D is the specimen density in gram per centimeter cube, and T is the time for the time exposure in year.
The study used quantitative data analysis as treatment of the data collected from the experiment. Leven's test was specifically used to test the null hypothesis, which states that there is no significance between the commercially available corrosion inhibitors and the organic Bougainvillea spectabilis extract as a corrosion inhibitor.
The table shows the total weight loss of each replicate in treatment 1, 2, 3, and 4, which is the 30, 20, and 10% of Bougainvillea extract, and the positive control after 5, 15, and 24 hours. And in treatment 5, which is the 1 molar hydrochloric solution, the weight of low-carbon steel increased. This is a clear indication that Bougainvillea spectabilis extract had inhibiting effect on the corrosion of mild steel as shown by the reduced rate of weight loss. The weight of steel as per time. The weight loss in treatment 1, 2, and 3 after a period of 5, 15, and 24 hours of immersion shown in the figure. The weight of the mild steel in treatment in 1 molar hydrochloric solution is found to decrease with increasing exposure time duration and concentration of the green-tested corrosion inhibitor, which is the Bougainvillea spectabilis extract. From the figure, it is obvious that inhibitive performance increases with the inhibitor concentration increases. The corrosion rate. The negative slope of the graph supports the assertion that there is an inverse relationship between the concentration of the extract and corrosion rate. If all samples were exposed with the same condition, this would become more obvious.
After conducting the study, the researchers found out that Bougainvillea spectabilis also exhibits good inhibitor for the corrosion of low-carbon steel in HCl.
Recommendation number 1. The present research work was only on weight loss methods. However, subsequent investigation can be carried out using EIS or electrochemical impedance spectroscopy, scanning electron microscopy, TOEFL polarization resistant, and gasometric method. Second, the inhibiting action of the extract of non-porous alloys at various temperatures could also be investigated. Third, the inhibiting action of the extract at long period of time could also be investigated. Fourth, the inhibiting action of the extract can also be tested on other acids like sulfuric and nitric acid, and can also be tested on salt water. And last, use different extracting solvent other than ethanol.